All right, WMC, sorry for the delay here. This is the mini to find our two winners for the Polish Stitch and Pitch mini. Check the time, January 2nd at 5:44 p.m. We're going to go over, I just want to make sure that that was, yep, first and second. Okay. Oops, we're going to go over to the Raz and type live. We've got January 2nd at 5:44 p.m. There is the list of our 12 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top two after the final roll will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 6. All right, 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final. Looking for the top two. It is Scotty and Lucas. So Scotty, you will get first pick of 4 in the main, and Lucas, you will get the remaining 2. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, January 2nd, 5:45 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.